I feel like my channel should be a combination of things: life, vlogs, family, a whole bunch of stuff. So today we're gonna be opening a book. So one thing about me is I love tabletop books. So y'all know, I am in college. So one of the things I wanted to add to my room next year was tabletop books. And I just feel like it gives a sense of class. So when I redid my room at home, I couldn't find any tabletop books in December. Like, I wasn't really looking into it. I just seen books and I was like, I'm never gonna be able to afford a book. It's $200. I'm not buying a book for $200. So then going into the next school year, I decided I'm gonna do more research. So I want a Chanel book and I want a Dior book. I really want some other books. I want the Balenciaga book, I want the Louis Vuitton book, I want the Christian Louboutin book. But I'm not paying $100 on a book that I'm not even gonna look at and none of that. So I went on this website. I had typed in, I was watching a YouTube video and this girl had a book called Dreaming of Chanel, and it was so cute. It was pink. As y'all know, pink is my favorite color. It was pink and it was cute. And when I typed it in search, no books came up. But then I seen they had and it was red, it wasn't pink anymore. And then I seen they had a Dior book and it was pink by the same author. I believe it's the same author. And I just was like, oh my gosh, I have to find this book. It's perfect because I want this Chanel book right here. And I was like, I need something smaller so you can still see the Chanel and stuff. And yeah, so I do, if you guys don't want to pay for books, I do have a DIY. I'm going to insert a picture of my books I made for my new room right here. They're super cute. They're super easy to make. If you guys want a video on that, I'll make one. I just took some circuit paper, like, you know, like the machine people make vinyl out of. And I got the color I want, and I got some stickers and some sticker letters, and I did that. And if y'all were in middle school and y'all had to have book covers, like the paper ones or the cloth ones, the paper ones or the cloth ones, then y'all know how to make a book cover. And I did that and stick the stickers on. Boom, books. I didn't do no research, no nothing on this company until after I ordered it, y'all. So after I did some research, it's the company sells reused books. Okay, so when I was looking at the research, people said not to get good, to get pretty good and excellent, because these are used books. And my stupid self, I had already ordered it and I got good. So let's hope that this book looks good. So I already cut it open because and I already Lysol the package when I took it out the mail, because but yeah, let's open it. I just wanted to look cute. This looked like it was a library book. Like, libraries do that. So get your Lysol, because you know, coronavirus, we cannot be catching it. Lysol. I already Lysol the outside of the packaging. The cover is dirty. I'm scared. And then the last part. Yeah, it was a library book, y'all. I told y'all it was a library book. I knew it. That kind of ruins my vibe. I don't like it. It's dirty looking, but this is a book. Can y'all see? It's like dirty. It is a book. Maybe I'll take the cover off. I don't know. The cover is black, and I wanted the whole book because it was pink. The inside of the book is well taken care of. inside the book. It's very well taken care of. Like, the inside of the book is good. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm gonna try. This is but it has pink writing right here, but I don't like it. Maybe if I clean it and stuff, it would get better, but it's a book, and guess how much this book was, y'all? $6.99. $6.99. They have all kinds of books on that website. Like, even if you're into completely different other things, you don't want a tabletop book, they have all types of books. Any book you can find, it's gonna be cheaper because it is, like I said, it is a used book. If you don't like used books like me, don't order a really pretty good or excellent and try it out if you just want to try it out because you're looking for books. And, you know, get your knowledge up while we're stuck in this quarantine. Like, read some books. Don't sit on the bed all day. Don't watch TV all day. Read a book. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave the link to the website down below. It's called thriftbooks.com. I believe it's .com. We're gonna try to clean it up and stuff, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work. But that's all the video I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed.